You've got miles of dashcam and a briefing tomorrow. Charts whisper patterns, rain here, jams there, but the planner needs a what-if with receipts. Could a card actually print the evidence on it? Because observational video is messy. Detections wobble, weather and time confound, and the obvious fix, just filter and compare, breaks the moment context shifts. So what turns patterns into a defendable what-if? The pivot starts at the question. Not free-form prose, your what-if gets parsed into a formal causal query, ready for the math, but how does the card know what to adjust for? Here's the shape, not the secret. First, raw detections settle into an event table. Next, a cautious graph of causes is learned with domain guardrails. Then your parsed query asks for the effect, and a backdoor set gets picked. So the card can stamp an answer, but on what evidence exactly? Here's the stamp. Offline, PC learns a DAG, edges get stability scores. Online, the LLM locks your query to the schema, the graph picks controls, OLS and DoWhy estimate the effect, and the causal card prints the number, interval, and assumptions, receipts and all. Now numbers, not vibes. Rainy windows show a small drop in density, peak hours lift it, both with documented controls and uncertainty. And the card warns when ignoring the DAG would have overstated things. Because the card shows its assumptions, graph edges, chosen controls, and stability, you can argue the design, rerun with different balances, and share a reproducible trail, which means tomorrow's briefing can invite debate, not guesswork. So every what-if becomes a stamped causal card, your ticket with evidence printed on it, fit for planning, clear about limits, and easy to share. Subscribe to AI Admirals for more research, less rumor, cards, graphs, and the receipts to move decisions forward.